A journey full of smile, a bit of tears, and a lot of memories to cherish forever.
The journey of 12th E. A very good morning and Jai to the boards of directors, teachers and my dear fellow mates. Our journey started with questions, with wishes and with doubts, but it was the love of our teachers and the warmth of our friends that turned questions into answers, doubts into solutions and wishes into dreams.
While we were spending hours in the meshes of mathematical formulas or derivation of physics or practical deadlines of chemistry, 2 years went on just in a jiffy.
Strangers became friends.
And friends became best friends.
And together we became family.
So it's not a farewell, it's a fare forward. The journey has just begun.
We have miles to go before we sleep.
Now I would like to call Vivek and Abhay for the further proceedings.
Thanks for the kind gesture, saying it from the depth of my heart. You helped right through from the start, and now that I reached my way, I just have heartfelt thanks to say. Thank you once again.
Let us be grateful for the people who makes us smile, the people who makes work fun, and the people who we can count on to get the job done.
Now, I would request Saurabh and Prasutosh to ascend the stage and give away the token of love to the beloved office staff members.
Now I would request our beloved office staff members on the stage for the accepting the token of love. Thank you, sir and ma'am.
Now, I will pass the dais to Yash and Animes for further proceedings.
इस सभागार में उपस्थित सभी सभाजनों को हमारा प्रेम भरा नमस्कार। पहचान से मिला काम थोड़े समय के लिए रहता है, लेकिन काम से मिली पहचान उम्र भर रहती है।
वो जिनका काम हमारी दिनचर्या को सुगम बनाता है, वो है हमारे सहायकगण। अब मैं आमंत्रित करता हूँ मुन्नी दीदी, शिव भैया, पीएन भैया, गिरीश भैया, अखिलेश भैया, मनीष भैया, संजय भैया, राजेंद्र भैया, सोनू भैया को कि वे मंच पर आए और हमारी कक्षा की ओर से सम्मान का प्रतीक स्वीकार करें।
इनके बिना हर काम है अधूरे, इनके बिना हर काम है अधूरे, ये करते हैं हमें पूरे। धन्यवाद। अब हम निवेदन करेंगे ओम और ईशिका को मंच पर आकर कार्यक्रम आगे बढ़ाएं।
Teachers give us hope to dream, to aspire, to achieve wonders in our life. You all are the perennial source of inspiration and motivation in all our lives. To all the teachers present here, thank you for your genuine support, positive encouragement and patience. Today we express our heartfelt gratitude towards all of you.
You, sir, was both passionate as a class teacher and as well as a subject teacher. इनके लिए तो हमें ट्रिग्नोमेट्री क्लास 1 से ही आती है और कैलकुलस के तो हम बचपन से ही मास्टर हैं, लेकिन फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री का तो बाद में बताएंगे, लेकिन प्यूर सर ने तो हमें मैथ से ही प्यार करना सिखाया है। सर, you know how to simplify the most complex equations and formulas so deftly. Thank you, sir, for encouraging us and always teaching us. No matter even if we fail, we'll learn a lesson.
वो सब्जेक्ट इजी हुआ जो देता था टेंस, मिले टिप्स उपयोग हो इसमें कॉमन सेंस। सर फिजिक्स के मिल गए बनकर एक मिसाल, कठिन विषय में कर गए सारे शिष्य कमाल। रणविजय सर, योर स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्क एथिक एंड एक्सीलेंट प्रिपरेशन स्किल इज वर्थ एडमायरिंग। थैंक यू सर फॉर बीइंग सो अप्रोचेबल एंड पेशेंट टुवर्ड्स ईच वन ऑफ अस। You better not wait, you better not heat, you better not react. I'm telling you now. The chemistry teacher is coming to town. He's collecting data, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out the heat of melting ice. Arun sir, expert communication skill and deep knowledge of a subject matter is what makes a great teacher. And sir, you have both of them at part.
केमिस्ट्री के लंबे चौड़े फॉर्मूले तो हम सबको नहीं समझ में आते थे, लेकिन आपने एक चीज बोल के बहुत ज्यादा क्लियर कर दी थी कि more study leads to more confusion. At the same time, no study leads to no confusion.
Thank you, sir.
Now I would like to call Yash and Piyush for the further proceedings.
Abhi sir, a teacher full of passion for his subject.
Since last 2 years, we were in the La La Land in Abir sir's class, and now it's time to come out and pay
Sir, thank you for the enthusiasm in and outside of the class. The energy you bring to life every day itself is a wonderful thing. I wish more people were like.
Your energy kept us going even though we had your class in last week. You always taught us the way to work hard.
Since you came to the school, we are your students and maybe the reason of your headache. but you and your classes were always the reason of happiness and enthusiasm for us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I call Sanskriti and Vijay for further proceedings.
Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow is worse. But the day after tomorrow will be sunshine.
With these wonderful lines, today we are here to tell you about the achievements of class 12th students in different fields.
Riya Singh made a landslide victory in CBSE clusters in athletics and went for nationals.
We are proud to say that Sanskriti Bhagat went for CBSE cluster in badminton and won medal.
From 2 consecutive years, Rohan Mishra is making us proud by winning medals in CBSE clusters in skating.
Champions do not become champions when they win the event, but in the hours, weeks, months and years they spend preparing for it.
We are proud to announce that Aditya Raj Rai was qualified for finals in Viz Pro this contest and won prize in graffiti.
Abhishek Singh Kaushal made us proud by being a musician and won prize in orchestra and open mic poetry competition.
We are happy to announce that Bittu Kumar Rai won prize in science quiz from 2 consecutive years.
Success and excuses do not go together. If you give excuses, forget about success. If you want success, don't give excuses.
With her great vocab and reading skill, Shambhavi was the ardent reader of her class.
With their sweet voices, Swastika, Sanskriti and Anmesh won the heart of judges in Slok Ucharan competition.
Ujjwal, with his companion, his paintbrush, paints magic and won prize in graffiti last year.
Focused girl Ishika got ardent reader, all-rounder and best orator award. She won different prizes in group discussion at Sunfest, science model in IYCCE CMS Lucknow and in World Robotics Olympiad.
Our good orator Bhavya won prize in inter-hostel debate competitions. Congratulations, we are so happy and excited for your success. Be proud of your hard work and achievements.
Now we would like to pass the dice to Rashid and Bittu for further proceeding.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Firstly we have Suez, the Buland Awaj of our class. He is also a born poet.
Next is Surya Bhushan, the silent observer of the class, whose charm as a volleyball player wins everyone's heart.
Next we have Souvik, who possesses a carefree nature. हॉस्टलर्स का कहना है ये कैंटीन में तो खाता नहीं पर कैफेटेरिया को तो पूछो ही मत.
Next coming up on the stage are the walkie-talkies of our class, Adik, Vijay, Sumit and Ashutosh Yadav. Aditya, the computer wizard, who is also thoda emotional, thoda mastikor. Sumit, who is a good footballer and a happening guy. Vijay, the confused Atma and a bucket of queries. And Ashutosh, दिखते हैं ये साउथ इंडियन हीरो जैसे और दिल के भी बहुत अच्छे हैं वैसे.
Coming up next on the stage are the Sivhari, the tabla masters of our class, Anup and Arvind. This duo is compatible in all the aspects, be it friendship, fun or music. Their love for tabla is so passionate that जिस बेंच पर ये बैठते उसको ही अपना रंगमंच बना देते.
Next is Swastika, the punctual girl. For her, in every situation, it's like all is well.
Now we hand over the mic to Bhavya and Sumit for the further proceedings.
Coming up next on the stage is Bittu, the most well-groomed and angry young man who dominates everyone with his knowledge.
Coming up next is Rakshit, known as the Lionel Messi of the class, who plays magic with football, and he is also known as RDX, क्योंकि ये जब फटता है तो बाकी सब जानते हैं.
Here comes the Amar Akbar Anthony, Om, the well-mannered boy and walking encyclopedia of our class. Piyush, the master of mischief. Yash, the sarcasm master of class, who is always enjoying.
Coming up next is जिसे बुलाने की जरूरत नहीं क्योंकि उसकी आवाज ही पहचान है. Riddhi, the nightingale of the class, who brings smiles on faces with a sweet voice.
Now here is the 100% innocent boy, Ashutosh, who talks less but meaningful. and he's also well famous as Atangwadi of our class.
Now, coming up next is Divyanshu, the Nobita and daydreamer of the class, who is lost in his world.
Now I invite Janvi and Mayuri for further proceedings.
वो लम्हे जो हमारी जिंदगी के अनमोल पल बन गए, वो लम्हे जो हमारे गुजरे हुए कल बन गए, काश इन लम्हों को हम फिर से जी पाते, वो लम्हे जो हमारे नम आंखों के जल बन गए. With these lines, I would like to further proceed by calling Anokho ki Toli. Sumit, a newcomer who stays mostly silent but lies creativity. Animesh, इन ये और इनके lame jokes आज तक हम समझ नहीं पाए, but a friend having great understanding and is always there when you need help. Bhavya, a philosopher always motivating and promising with many talents and a die-hard Eminem fan. Now here comes Riya, the Punjabi लड़का of the class. तेरे बिना सब कुछ चलना बस गुजारा नहीं होता. उनकी अपनी एक कश्ती है जिनमें वो अकेले करके मस्ती है. Coming up is Ishika, the Isaac Newton and epitome of focus, always determined for good. स्वास्थ्य के आगे कुछ दिखता नहीं है, ये जिम ना जाए ऐसा कोई दिन नहीं है. Now comes the fitness freak, Akash. For him, fitness is like a relationship. Calling upon Ujjwal, the Leonardo da Vinci, as the name suggests, he paints the world with his color of love and magic. Here is Lakshmi with the mesmerizing eyes, whose eyes are even brighter than the stars above. Now I would like to call Shambhavi and Riddhi for the further proceeding.
Coming up is Ankit, the Virat Kohli of our class. अब तो इसके चौकों छक्कों से बॉलर्स भी परेशान हैं.
Next is Karan Arjun of our class, Ashutosh Mangal, a kind of person who notices everything but stays quiet, and I use a boy with strong willpower and astonishing badminton skills.
Here representing the I know more boys. अभय, ये मस्त टाइम में क्रिएटिविटी लाता है, एससी वर्मा को कॉमिक बनाता है. विवेक, क्लास में उछल उछल के आंसर्स बताता है, केमिस्ट्री से इसका अलग ही नाता है.
For you is Anurag, the food express and driving force of our class. खाने पे रहता है इसका पूरा ध्यान, साथ ही दोस्तों का भी रखता है.
Here is the SRK of our class, Saurabh. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. क्यों? किसी ने नहीं सुना? It's all right, Saurabh. बड़े-बड़े स्कूलों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
Now I would like to call Riya and Lakshmi for further proceedings.
स्कूल, जहाँ पर हम सब पहली बार गए थे, अपने घर वालों को छोड़कर, दोस्ती करना जहाँ पर सीखा था, कुछ नए रिश्ते जोड़कर.
जहाँ पर सभी रोते हुए आए थे और रोता था हमारा आखिरी दिन, क्योंकि आज भी याद आते हैं वो खट्टे मीठे स्कूल के दिन. So coming up are the Fantastic Four: Sanskriti, the true badminton player and a passionate girl;
Shambhavi, the novel lover for whom silence is the best way to react while angry;
Mayuri, a person full of fun, care and loving nature. ये कैमरे के पीछे और कैमरा इनके पीछे.
Janvi, the cooperative monitor and the peacemaker of the class. She is a true example of beauty on duty.
Here comes Vipul, बॉक्सर वाला लुक ये रखता है, लेकिन ये स्कूली कहाँ आता है.
Next is Rohan Mishra, Urf Mystery, the skater and the chota packet bada dhamaka of our class.
Here representing Shivam, the dynamite of our class, who celebrates his present time and says, "Chhod yaar, we मजे करते हैं."
Now representing the Mr. India or Eid Ka Chand of our class, Jay and Shashwat. Jay, he says that the school starts tomorrow but never confirms his presence there. Shashwat, the most smiling character of our class with zero tension, for whom the school starts after 12 p.m. आज भी हमारी ईद के चांद ही है.
Now Abhishek, the backbencher, the shyer and the musician of our class. The magic maestro, Aditya, we thank you for your cooperation and support for the creativity on the screen.
साथ तेरे हैं ना ढूंढ तेरी बना मुझे को घर मिला बुलाना तेरा हाथ मेरे हैं ना ढूंढ give up, na na na. I'll give up, na na na. Let me love you. Let me love you. Won't you give up, na na na. I'll give up, na na na. Let me love you. Let me love you. तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना, तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याद आना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना। तेरे जाने का गम और न आने का गम, वे जमाने का गम क्या करें, राह देखे नजर रात भर जाग कर, पर तेरी तो खबर न मिले। हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, होठों को कैटेगोर, होठों को कैटेगोर, सीटी बजाती बोल ऑल इज वेल। क्या जाने रहने का क्या होगा, लाइफ बढ़ेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा, कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा। सिटी बजा के बोल भैया ऑल इज वेल, भैया ऑल इज वेल।
All things, both good or bad, must end someday. This is the time to end our present phase today. With so many feelings pouring in our hearts, we may resemble a thinking stone. Well, it's not the time to weep, run, shout or groan. We have a glorious journey to just begin.
Let's join hands together for one last time and swear in the victory as no spirit languishes or no spirit perishes, because at the end, it's only you and your goal where everything seems to be new.
At this anguishing hour, we want some gentle passion to slide in everybody's mind, to understand what we are meant for.
Let's hope and wish to meet again, to relieve, revive and regain. The school ambience may not be the same.
Some are breathlessly happy, while some are sad. Some can't explain the true profanation of the joy, while some sit back and struggle hard to suppress their cry.
Yet we will sit and find ways to cherish moments in frame. The school memories will be everlasting. This without hesitation I can proclaim.
Thank you.
I was wondering what to say now. Everything is said and done, isn't it? So all the best for your exams. Last breath. You know that counting has started. How many days left? So then one more month. Focus on your exams, your studies, and after that, make sure that you reconnect, you come back to your institution. Have all of you registered yourself for alumni? Yes or no? Okay. Make sure that you register yourself for alumni, and then whenever you people decide, there should be one representative from your class of 2020. You know your identity? You are class of 2020. Okay? Hope you will not forget 2020. So class 2020 will have to decide when you are coming back to the institution. So every year we have like alumni meet. This year it is 21st of December. A lot of old students are coming and they want to come home. They want to come back to school, see the building, meet all the old teachers, and this is what we'll expect from all of you. And all of you members of Sunbeam Facebook page, I showed you that day. God bless. Can we request sir to sing a song?
See, 2020 is a very catchy kind of a name, and you all are like lucky to be the class of 2020. And what we would do normally, if I was class of 2020, I would wear two 20s, one on this side, one on this side. And then your uniforms, obviously keep my uniform for maybe 5 years or 10 years. and try to fit in the same uniform and come for the alumni meet. So that would be a target. So that would be nice, and you can always, because you are in the age of communication, you are on all those social media, and it's only going to become bigger and bigger as time grows. In our times it was like finding a Kumbh Mela lost brother, finding a classmate. But for you, it's too easy. Now you can load all the videos, you can get all the pictures, and you can keep them for 20 years and then find out who was how many kilos in 2020. So that would be fun. And coming back to school is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful experience when you come back to school after so many years with your friends, go around, look at the teachers, meet everyone, and there's so much love flowing because the teachers love to welcome you. They would love to see what you have become in life. And when you come back, they would say, this child, I taught him. How proud the teacher feels. Piyush sir says, this child's maths has become so good. Abid would say something. So many things happening. And my blessings to you for the exams. Extra 10 marks with blessings. God also gives that. I hope you get 5 to 10 marks extra, grace marks. Chairman sir, madam, Pratibha ma'am, Bharti ma'am's blessings to all of you. 5 number extra, Bhagwan inko de dena. So that will be good fun. And I'm so happy to see, they are very happy with marks. Don't measure yourself on marks. Whoever told you that marks are important? Your teachers must have told you. They never listen. The university cutout told you. Alright, they never listened to me. But anyways, marks are very important, seriously speaking. I'm not going to say anything which is out of the... I'm also a very disciplined school chairman. And, but having said that, happy and all round. Having said all that, 90% and he doesn't know how to speak, and 100% who doesn't know how to wear a tie, and who wears sloppy kapra wala shoes with suits, that's not done. Okay? If you want to be smart, eloquent, then a Sunbeam is an all-rounder. Remember, a Sunbeam fights in the sports field, does a literary quiz, can do anything. He's just an all-rounder, he's a jack of all trades. So, very nicely, ma'am asked me to sing. I'm going to ask my friend to get the guitar. Here she is. Play chord C. This is a song called Musafir Hu Yaro. You know Musafir Hu Yaro? How many of you know this song? The problem is my songs are so old, even grandmothers try to come and tell me, sir, you are not even our childhood. That's the problem with me. No, that's okay. C, F, okay? Just play C. Musafir hu yaro, na ghar hai, na ठिकाना. मुसाफिर हो यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जा. मुसाफिर हो यारो. It's such a pleasure to meet them because we meet the naughtiest child who became the biggest businessman and the most studious girl who was his junior became his wife, and later on they have 2 kids and they bring the 2 kids to us and say, Abhi, the little boy is only 2.5, but say Jai Hind to sir. So it's the Jai Hind Brigade. So wish you all the best, and we love to see you every time on an alumni meet. You're all welcome every year.
Farewell is not an end. It is the beginning of a new journey with new hope that these sweet memories will nurture us forever. Me, 2 years as a class teacher of 12th E has been full of such wonderful rewarding moments. 12th E is a beautiful garden where each student is like a fragrant flower waiting to bloom in its glory. If the musicians of my section kept the classroom alive, on the other hand, some students prove it that it is extremely important to hold on to composure even when you are in distress. Not all are equally talented in my class, I confess today. Even if you are a mediocre, I tell you, nothing is waste in life. Everything is important in life. Both weeds and flowers are to be respected as there is life in both. All those fun and mischief that you made created some unforgettable moments for me and made this school your second home, the door to which will always remain open with love. While I was teaching you all the complicated formula of mathematics, I was learning the way of leading a vibrant life from you all. So, ladies and gentlemen of 12th E, wish you all bigger success and achievements in your life ahead. All the very best to all of you for your future endeavor. Thank you.